Now, there's this one thing that we know about goals, and we've been told that goals should be smart. And we've been even given these acronyms that the goal should be like specific, it should be measurable, it should be attainable, it should be realistic, and it should be timely. Well, guys, come on, sit down with me while I share with you the real dealio about how to set realistic, smart, attainable, timely goals. Now think about it. What does attainable really mean? And what does timely and specific and measurable all mean? Well, I'm just tell you, when I used to hear that about goals need to be smart, they need to be specific, measurable, I would bust my butt trying to figure out how to write out goals that had all of these components to it. And basically, it was like a big waste of my time because I wasn't sticking with it because I didn't really believe in it. But what I've learned over the years after reading so many autobiographies of really successful entrepreneurs who have been kicking butt, making lots of money, is that they set goals that are big goals. They think bigger. They set stretch goals. And what I mean by stretch goals are goals that you almost say, like, I don't know how the heck I am going to achieve this. But you set those goals. See, what I've learned in the process of setting goals, you can set a goal. You can set a goal that is like something that you know that you can attain. And basically, you're going to reach that goal, but it's not something that's going to stretch you. It's not going to push you. It's not going to help you step outside of your comfort zone, right? So when you're setting goals, think about goals that stretch you, goals that really push you, goals that people will look at you and say, now, you crazy for setting a goal like that, because that's pretty much unattainable, right? That's the kind of goals that you want to set, because guess what happens? Your brain starts to get into the motion and the actions and all the things that need to happen to reach that goal. That unattainable goal, that stretch goal that you might be thinking. Your brain gets into the motion. It comes up with ideas. It starts to put things out in the universe to say, okay, we're going to do this. What do we need to do to make that happen? And although that stretch goal might be really big for you, I guarantee you this. It's going to be a whole lot more achievable and that you can actually reach it than if you wrote those SMART goals, okay? See, the thing is, again, when you stretch yourself, the mind begins to stretch and make actions and doable things that you can do to help you reach that. So let's start thinking bigger. Start reading autobiographies of entrepreneurs who are doing what you want to do. Read their story. Read of what goals that they thought they were going to do. Hey, heck, let's just think about it. Bill Gates, people called him crazy to think that every home was going to have a home computer on their desk. Everyone thought he was crazy. That was a stretch goal. So you want to set stretch goals. You want to read about people who've set stretch goals. And I also want to give you a tool to help you set those stretch goals. All right. So you guys can go to aleasemichelle.com/comfort zone and you can download my ebook that helps you walk you step by step by setting those stretch goals that really propel you in your business. All right, guys, you have a great and awesome day. And if you're just checking me out for the first time, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you are listening to me on the podcast, I need for you to subscribe there too. All right, guys, you have an awesome and blessed day. Peace out.